1. A. Define living things and give 3 characteristics that differentiate them from non-living things. B. Draw and label a diagram of a flowering plant. C. Explain the importance of plants in the ecosystem. 2. A. State the 3 states of matter and describe the arrangement of particles in each state. B. Explain the term melting point and provide one example of a substance with its melting point. C. Mention 2 ways matter undergoes changes and give an example for each. 3. A. Name the major organs of the digestive system and describe their functions. B. Explain why the circulatory system is important for human survival. C. Draw and label a diagram of the human heart. 4. A. List 4 forms of energy and give one example of how each is used in daily life. B. Explain how energy is transformed from one form to another in a torchlight. C. State 2 ways energy can be conserved at home. 5. A. Define force and give 2 examples of forces observed in everyday life. B. Explain the effect of friction on moving objects. C. A child pushes a box with a force of 50 N over a distance of 2 meters. Calculate the work done. 6. A. What is meant by environmental pollution? List 3 types of pollution. B. State 2 human activities that negatively affect the environment. C. Suggest 3 ways of protecting water bodies from pollution. 7. A. List the planets in the solar system in their correct order from the Sun. B. Explain the difference between rotation and revolution of the Earth. C. Draw a simple diagram of the solar system and label the Sun, Earth, and Moon. 8. A. Explain the difference between luminous and non-luminous objects. B. Describe how a rainbow is formed. C. Draw and label a diagram showing the reflection of light on plane mirror. 9. A. State the main food groups and give one example of each. B. Explain why balanced diets are essential for human health. C. Suggest 3 measures to prevent food contamination at home. 10. A. What is a simple machine? Provide 2 examples. B. Describe how a lever works and give 2 examples of levers in everyday life. C. State 2 ways technology can improve education in schools. One. A. Definition of living things. Living things are organisms that exhibit life processes such as respiration, growth, reproduction, and response to stimuli. Characteristics. They grow. They reproduce. They respond to stimuli. B. Importance of plants in the ecosystem. They provide oxygen through photosynthesis. They serve as food for humans and animals. They maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. 2. A. States of matter and particle arrangement. Solid particles are tightly packed and vibrate in fixed positions. Liquid particles are close but can move past one another. Gas particles are far apart and move freely. B. Melting point, the temperature at which a solid changes into a liquid. Example, ice melts at 0 degrees centigrade. C. Changes in matter. Physical change, melting of ice. Chemical change, burning of paper. 3. A. Major organs of the digestive system and functions. Mouth chews food and begins digestion. Stomach breaks down food with acids. Intestines absorb nutrients. B. Importance of the circulatory system. Transports oxygen and nutrients to body cells. Removes waste products like carbon dioxide. C. Diagram of the human heart. Draw and label the heart showing the atria, ventricles, aorta, and vena cava. 4. A. Forms of energy and examples. Light energy, solar panels use sunlight to generate electricity. Heat energy used for cooking food. Mechanical energy, a car engine powers movement. Electrical energy powers home appliances. B. Energy transformation in a torchlight. Chemical energy in batteries is transformed into electrical energy, which is then converted to light energy. C. Ways to conserve energy. Turn off lights when not in use. Use energy-efficient appliances. 5. A. Definition of force. A force is a push or pull that causes an object to move, stop, or change direction. Examples: pushing a door, pulling a cart. B. Effective friction. Friction opposes motion, reducing the speed of moving objects and causing wear and tear. C. Work done. Work is equal to force multiplied by distance is equal to 50 x 2 is equal to 100 j. 6. A. Environmental pollution. The introduction of harmful substances into the environment, causing harm to living things. Types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and land pollution. B. Human activities affecting the environment. Deforestation. Improper disposal of waste. C. Ways to protect water bodies. Avoid dumping waste into rivers. Plant trees along riverbanks. Treat wastewater before release. 7. A. Planets in order from the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. B. Difference between rotation and revolution. Rotation, the Earth spinning on its axis, causes day and night. Revolution, the Earth orbiting the Sun, causes seasons. C. Diagram of the solar system. Draw and label the Sun, Earth, and Moon. 8. A. Luminous versus non-luminous objects. Luminous, objects that emit their own light, for example, Sun. Non-luminous, objects that reflect light, for example, Moon. B. Formation of a rainbow. When sunlight passes through water droplets, it is refracted, reflected, and dispersed into its component colors. C. Diagram of light reflection. Draw a plane mirror showing the incident ray, reflected ray, and normal line. 9. A. Main food groups and examples. Carbohydrates, for example, rice. Proteins, for example, fish. Fats and oils, for example, butter. Vitamins, for example, oranges. Minerals, for example, salt. B. Importance of balanced diets. Provides energy. Promotes growth and repair. Strengthens the immune system. C. Measures to prevent food contamination. Wash hands before handling food. Store food in airtight containers. Cook food thoroughly. 10. A. Simple machine, a device that makes work easier by applying force. Examples: lever, pulley. B. How a lever works. A lever rotates around a fixed point, fulcrum, to lift or move loads using effort. Examples: crowbar, seesaw. C. Ways technology improves education. Use of digital learning platforms. Access to online resources.